Hi, I'm Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today I'm here to talk to you about it. It's all over the news, but obviously there's a huge vulnerability in SolarWinds Orion. So if you're running SolarWinds Orion, the guidance is to shut down the servers immediately and then patch them. So if you're running versions 2019.4 through 2020.2.1, you need to patch it to 2020.2.1 hotfix 1. Now, there's another hotfix that should be out in a couple of days that you should apply immediately when it becomes available. But basically, there's a huge compromise in the solarwinds.orion.core.businesslayer.dll that contains a backdoor for hackers to come in and communicate with command and control servers. And they think this is how, or they know this is how FireEye got compromised, and evidently it's tied to Russia and some other stuff. But you need to patch your Orion SolarWinds server now. And if you can't patch it, shut it down, isolate it. Also check for maybe some additional evidence of compromise if you're running those versions. This is one time, ironically, where it might have been better not to stay up to date. But if you are running SolarWinds Orion, make sure that you're on 2020.2.1 hotfix 1 and then install hotfix 2 when it becomes available. Super important. This is a pretty big deal. It's why it's all over the IT news, so to speak. We're blasting it out as well. So anyway, that's our tip of the week. If you like this content, please hit that subscribe button and we'll keep making it. Thanks a lot for listening. We'll talk to you soon.